So in this Etsy tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to edit your currency here on Etsy. So this is basically the currency that you're seeing. So for me right now, I have Canadian dollars showing, but if you want to change that to pounds, US dollars, etc., I'll show you how to do that. So go to the top right, press on your account, press on view your profile, then edit public profile. Then go to where it says account right here, and then just scroll down a little bit to where it says location settings, and then where it says currency. So for me, as I mentioned before, it is in Canadian dollars, but you can change this to US dollars, euro, British pound, Australian dollars. Basically, whatever currency you see right here, you can go ahead and change that to. If you're looking to do that, so if you want to go to US dollars, for example, you can do that. Save your settings this way, and then proceed that way. So yeah, very simple, very straightforward. This is how to edit your currency settings here on Etsy. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.